Common Core State Standards Math, 7th grade, Expressions and Equations 1 and 2, Algebra 1B. And we're subtracting expressions. And subtracting is using your signs. And so we have two groups of expressions. We have 6x plus 3, and then we have minus 2x plus 2. And you're going to do basically the same thing, but there's one big change. This minus, or negative, goes to everything. It's just like the distributive again, because this is really negative 1. So we're going to multiply that times here. We're going to distribute that negative to each term inside this parentheses. So this would be negative 2x, and then this one would be minus 2. So you're distributing the negative to both terms inside it, and then you're going to march it down, just like you did before with the adding, 2x minus 2. And we are lining up the x's with the x's and then constants with the constants. And now we take care of it. Well, we have different signs. 6x minus 2x is different signs, so you subtract. It's 4x, and the 6 takes it. And now we have a positive 3 and a negative 2, different signs, so we subtract, and we get a 1, and the 3 takes it. So the answer is 4x plus 1. And the big change is that the negative on the outside of that parentheses changes everything inside it. Let's try it again. So 2. Oops. It is group of 2x minus 3 minus x minus 2. Okay, so we have two expressions, 2x minus 3 and then x minus 2, but we're subtracting them from each other, or we're minusing them. So we don't do anything with the first one, but the second one we do. We distribute this negative to both terms, and that would be negative x. We can write it down here, line it up, and then this would change this to a positive 2. I hope everybody saw that, because negative times negative 2 is a positive 2. And now you're going to go here, and you're going to line up your terms, x's with x's, and constants with constants. And we're going to, 2x minus x is 1x, but 1x is really x, because that's 1x. And we have negative 3 plus 2, different signs, so subtract, and we get a 1, and the 3 pulls it. So it is x minus 1. All right, so let's do another one, just for more practice, because it is a little tricky. You can't forget this. So it's this group here, negative 2x minus 4 minus 2x. Okay, so we actually do not have two terms in the second one, but we do have it in the first one. So negative 2x minus 4 minus 2x. Well, that really is just bringing it down. So this really is negative 2x, because negative times positive 2x is a negative 2x. So bring it down, line it up with your terms, and you have nothing to line up over here, so you just do it. So negative 2x minus 2x is a negative 4x. That's like saying, I owe my mama $2, I borrowed another $2, now I owe my mama $4. And bring this right down. So your answer is negative 4x minus 4. But the negative on the outside changes everything inside that parentheses. Let's do one more. I think we can squeeze it in here. And it is find 6x plus 5 minus 3x plus 1. All right, so we're not doing anything with the first parentheses, but this changes everything. So this here gets distributed to both, and it becomes negative 3x. See how I'm lining them up with the x's and x's, and this would become a -1. So it changes both signs. They're both positive. Now they're both negative. And now we combine our like terms, and we get 3x. And here, 5 minus 1 is a +4. There you go. Thank you.